A lot of people just download Surfshark because it's so good using that link down below. But do you know how many features you actually get with this? Let me go through them right now in this video. So let's start with this one, okay? Clean web. Now, surfing in a clean cyber ocean with no ads, no trackers, malware, and phishing attempts. Okay, that's the first one on the list of the features. We got the unlimited devices. So if you didn't know about Surfshark, all right, and a lot of people actually don't know this, is that you can get it on unlimited devices. All right, that's not just unlimited for you. I mean, anyone can use your login on this device and start getting and going with Surfshark, all right? You can have it on the tablet, phone, computer, PlayStation, whatever it is you want, as long as they're using your account. That's incredible. Not many VPNs give you that. They have the bypasser, which allows specific apps and websites to bypass the VPN, and it works very, very good with mobile banking, all right? Their strict no-log policy can be available online, okay? They don't monitor, track, or store what you do online. That means no connection or activity logs are stored. Their kill switch, of course, every VPN should have a kill switch. If it doesn't, then please stop using it, okay? It's a safety net in case your VPN connection drops, your activities and sensitive data are never exposed. You have private DNS and leak protection, okay? So on each server and leak protection when using IPv4 stack, they actually take security to the next level. Now, some of the ones that you have missed as well is one of the camouflage modes, all right? Camouflage mode makes sure that even your internet provider can't tell that you're using a VPN. Even the people providing you the internet can't tell, all right? That's how good this is. Stay private always. Browsing privately encrypted on the internet activity so no one can track and steal your data. It's got a no borders mode, so the internet should be open to everyone. This mode actually allows successfully to use Surfshark where you are. Changing your IP address, so you can protect the privacy by changing your IP address to the ones that can't be connected to digitally. It's got AES 256 encryption, okay? So they actually guard your personal data by industry leading with the GCM encryption and the secure protocol. So WireGuard is a default protocol on all the apps. It's probably the best one out there. Maybe Nordvpn does beat it with NordLynx, but WireGuard is by far the most popular. Now, these are some of the features that you may have missed just by getting Surfshark. Many people download this and don't realize it has this many features. But also, let me show you another fantastic feature that you can get by hitting the link down below and getting our exclusive deal. So if you hit that link down below, this is exclusive. You get your 30-day money-back guarantee, all right? You're saving up to 82%, guys, with this. 24-month contract, all right, and 2 months for free. That's what you're getting for €2.30 every single month. That is ridiculously affordable, guys. It's so, so good, all right? If you want to go for the 1 month, it's $12.95. If you want to go for the 12 months, $3.99. Again, if you go for that 24 months, it is €2.30. That gets you 2 months free, 82% serve, and you get the 30-day money-back guarantee plus all the features that we discussed earlier on. Why do you want to pay for this? Because if you compare it to ExpressVPN, CyberGhost, private internet, all the other VPNs, it outweighs them with the features. Even just for the unlimited devices, I would pay. All right, it's more affordable and it has better features, guys. Use the 30-day money-back guarantee to your advantage. If you do not like it, after 29 days, please just say and get your money back. It's basically a free trial. Okay, guys, that's why Surfshark is the best. Hit that link down below to get involved with OnlyVPN's big, big deal right now. So guys, there you go. I hope you enjoyed it. Do me a massive favor, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. Hit that link down below and get the exclusive deal that I just showed you. And I'll see you on the next video.